Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A13 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the apps section. Let's tap on it and now just pick the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the Reset Up Preferences option because this is the option we're looking for. And as you can see right now, your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, and notification restrictions for apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset if you're ready. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Samsung Galaxy A13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.